Hello guys, today I'm here to help you on using a feature from Book Product Editor called Replace Texts. And this is a very tricky feature and I am going to explain you why. So the first, I am going to select one product that I want to replace texts or to modify texts, and I will choose this one. This is called Classic in Portuguese. And I am seeing here, you can see here like the text that is currently on its description. So the description in English, this is something that we are going to improve on the next version. We will have a way to replace and add texts on each language. Now we just have the main language, so we just can work on the main product language here, main product description, and not on the translations. But soon we will have this feature too. So here you see that we have two small texts, a simple statement, simple text here, and this statement, this is the product normal description using HTML as source. So first thing to tell you here is that everything that you input here, every description, it's always converted to HTML. So if you are not if you never used HTML before, this is something that you can look about on the internet. It's a declarative language that is used to create web pages like this one that we are. So this is like converting a simple text into a rich text with formats and everything. So this is used by Ecwid by default. So if you click on this HTML button here, you are going to see that this text that you see here is underlying HTML. So this is the first text that you saw before, simple text. This is a paragraph or something like that. I don't remember what this means, but this is a block of text. And here you have like three tags, that is new lines, like new breaks. So you break line 3 times, and then you have another block of text here and a strong, that is a bold. This makes the text bold, and another text here. So the first thing that I need to explain for you is that the replace function is going to replace one part of this HTML by another part of this HTML. So this is important because sometimes what you see is not what you get. So here you have this description, but if you want to replace description by something, sometimes it has some tag or something different that you cannot replace like directly. For instance, imagine that you have here, for instance, on this description, some tags around it. For instance, let's remove this tag strong here, and I will just leave the strong on the description. Okay, so if I ask Book Product Editor for replace a normal description, this text normal description, by another text, this is not going to work. And why this is not going to work? Because what Book Product Editor really sees is the underlying HTML source. So to replace this normal plus description, I need to replace this whole text here. And that's why I'm going to show you. So first I will select this part that I want to replace with the tags involved. And then I will go there, select the product, go to proceed to change this product, and you will see that here we have some features that are important to explain to you. So first of all, I'm going to use the find and replace. But you can do find and replace on some fields that you have here from product. So product name, product description, SEO title, and SEO description. Each of these fields can be used with these functions below. So find and replace entire text, append to the end there is a suffix, insert before there is prefix, and erase field. So what is these functions exactly? Find and replace is the most used function. I want to find a part of text and I want to replace by another, and that's what we are going to do first. So I am putting here this normal description exactly as on the HTML source, and I am going to replace by something. Then I am going to add this rule. Don't forget to add the rule. And then I'm going to apply the changes. And here you can see that loading products, processing product updated. So done. I'm going back here and I'm going to refresh this page. And this is not going to work because I forgot of saving this before. So let's try it again. I'm putting this wrong here again, putting this wrong here, and replace this. And first of all, let's save this product. So this is going to be on the database. And then I go there again, paste this here, and clear the rules and add the rule again, just to be sure that it's the same exactly string, and go and process again. Okay, update it again. One interesting thing, you see that it was updated before, but nothing was changed, right? This is a technical thing, but since we have a lot of modifications to do, we are always trying to find all the strings here, the text here to replace. So sometimes it will show up as updated because it was updated, but the text was the same because no occurrences were found before updating it. Okay, so let's see how this is going here. Let's refresh it. And it didn't work again. And why? Let's see what's happening here. So we have, oh, I forgot, I selected the wrong field here. So it's product description that we are currently changing. I will add the rule again, and let's refresh this page. So I'm going to copy this again, select the product back, we'll go to replace texts, product description, now find and replace. Okay, it's already here, but I'm pasting it again, add the rule and apply the changes. And let's see now, refresh the page. And here, so it worked, and this worked because it replaced all the text that we put there, all the string, the complete exactly text that we have put there. And this works for these fields as I mentioned it before. So product name, product description, SEO title, and description too. Okay. And we have other operations here that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to clear the rows, and the first thing that I'm going to show you is append to the end. So I'm going to append a text to the end. So I'm going to append the end to the end of the product description. So adding this rule, this will write the end on the end of this product description. Okay, so let's apply the changes again, and I'm going here and refresh it, and the end is here, right? So if we see here, you will see that the end is not like inside HTML, because when Bulk Product Editor edits this description, it is not, it's like saving to the database on the Ecwid, so it's a little bit different. But if I save now, this is probably going to add the HTML tags around this too. Let's try it. So I'm going to change a little bit, like putting a comma there, period there, and saving. Okay, it is okay for now. Let's try again. Okay, now you see. So when I break the line and I put this on the other line, it automatically puts around these HTML tags. So okay, what functions do we have more here? We have this insert before, and I am going to insert a beginning word here before, and it's the same, applying and refreshing, and you have the beginning here. And okay, now I'm going to use this function replace entire text, and I'm going to replace the entire text with something like test text, and I am going to clear the rules and add this rule, test text. So I'm going to clear this and apply now. Okay, and this was replaced, and everything here is going to be replaced, right? Let's refresh the page and try, and it's working. Okay, so this is the functions that we have, and we have the erase field for sure, that is going to erase the field and all the contents, so it's going to be empty. And we have this currently fields that you can use for changing these fields. You can change this way. Okay, on future we are going to have, as I mentioned, other translations that you can replace, but for now this is how it works. Thank you very much.